Hi guys, here is a free VPN you can use with Chrome browser. Let me open the browser and search for free VeePN extension. This is the one. Click on it and add to Chrome. Add extension. So the extension has been added. Let me close this. Click here and let me pin this extension. So it is here. All you have to do is click here, continue, and stop. Now here are a couple of countries you can choose from. For now, it has France, Netherlands, Russia, Singapore, UK, USA, etc. Let's go with the UK and simply turn this on. So the VPN is on as it will turn green. Let me Google where is my country and click on it. So it displays the United Kingdom. So please do give it a try, and it has been really useful to us. Thank you very much.